Trying to decide between Bluehost and Wix, these two platforms are leaders in the web hosting and website building space, but they serve different purposes. Bluehost is a web hosting provider trusted by millions, especially WordPress users, while Wix is an all-in-one website builder known for its ease of use and design flexibility. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Bluehost and Wix. We'll cover the features, performance, pricing, ease of use, customer support, and what makes each other platform unique. By the end, you'll know which one best fit for your website. So now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's get started. First things first, we have Bluehost right here. Bluehost is one of the most popular hosting providers out there, especially for WordPress. It's officially recommended by WordPress and offers a range of hosting plans for beginners, bloggers, small businesses, or even growing enterprises. Well, Wix, on the other hand, is a powerful website builder that comes with a built-in hosting. It's ideal for users who wants to create website quickly without dealing with technical aspects of hosting. Wix is all about the drag and drop simplicity, making it a favorite for portfolio sites, personal blogs, and small business websites. Now we have the features comparison. First things first, let's talk about Bluehost right here. For Bluehost, you have hosting plans. It offers shared VPS and dedicated hosting option, giving you the flexibility to scale your business or site as it grows. You have your free domain for 1 year. It is a great perk for those starting fresh. You have the WordPress integration once more. You have the one-click WordPress installation, making it seamless to get started with the world's most popular CMS. You have free SSL certificate. It ensures your site is secure and trusted by visitors. And lastly, you have cPanel. It's an intuitive, industry standard control panel for managing your hosting. It's as simple as editing your website by clicking one of these options right here. Let's just say that you want to add email accounts on your database, so you want to click on email address. This is one of the best perks for Bluehost. They use cPanel as their control panel. And on the other hand, we have Wix. Once again, it has the drag and drop website builder. So let's go ahead and say that I want to edit this design right here. All I have to do is to go ahead and hold click on a specific element and drag them to match my design. You have over 800 templates, professionally designed templates for a wide variety of industries. You have your app market. Extend your site's functionality with app, e-commerce, marketing, and more. You have the Wix AVI, Artificial Design Intelligence. It automatically generates a personalized website based on your preference. And lastly, you have the all-in-one hosting. Hosting is included with every Wix plan, so you don't have to worry about managing servers or upgrades. Now for the performance and uptime. In here, we have the charts for the performance and uptime. Performance is critical, so let's compare. Well, Bluehost guarantees a 99.9% uptime, which is a standard in the hosting industry. Their servers are optimized for WordPress, offering solid performance and reliability. However, since you'll need to manage site speed and optimization yourself or through plugins, your website's performance can vary based on your setup. On the other hand, of course, we have Wix. Wix, being an all-in-one platform, takes care of the performance for you. Its hosting is optimized for the platform, so you don't need to worry about the speeds or uptime. It's all managed on the Wix's end. While Wix delivers consistent performance, it may not handle massive traffic spikes as well as Bluehost higher tier hosting plans like the VPS or dedicated server. And of course, now let's talk about budget. Now for Bluehost, the basic plan starts at $295 per month, and it includes one website, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, a free domain for the first year, and a free SSL. As you upgrade to the higher tier plans like V Plus or Choice Plus, You get unmetered storage, unlimited website, and extras like domain privacy. Bluehost offers excellent value, especially for WordPress users. Now, on the other hand, we have Wix right here. Wix pricing starts at $16 per month for the combo plan, which is great for personal website. This includes 2 GB of bandwidth, 3 GB of storage, a free domain for 1 year, and no ads. For businesses and e-commerce site, the business basic plan starts around 27 per month. $27 per month, and that includes features like the online payments and more storage. While Bluehost offers cheaper entry-level plans, Wix bundles hosting, design, and functionality into one package, which can be appealing if you're looking for an all-inclusive solution. Of course, we have our ease of use. Now, for Bluehost, it is straightforward, but it requires you to set up and manage your own website. If you're using WordPress, Bluehost simplifies the process with one-click installation and a beginner-friendly dashboard. However, you'll still need to learn some basics about WordPress and hosting. Wix is built for users who want everything done for them. It's a drag and drop editor feature is intuitive. And with Wix ADI, you can have a fully functional website in minutes. It's perfect for beginners or people who don't want to deal with technical side of website management. And on the other hand, we have the customer support. Customer support is vital, especially if you're new to building website. Bluehost offers 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. Their team is practically knowledgeable about WordPress, making them a great resource for users building a WordPress website. Wix provides customer support through live chat, email, and an extensive knowledge base. While their support is responsive, some users report that the absence of 24/7 phone support can be a drawback compared to Bluehost. And of course, we have the customization and flexibility. Customization is another area where Bluehost and Wix differ. With Bluehost, you have complete control over your website if you're using WordPress. You can choose from thousands of themes and plugins to customize your site. However, this flexibility comes with a learning curve. Wix, on the other hand, simplifies customization with its drag and drop editor. You can tweak templates visually, but the platform is more rigid. You're limited to the Wix's ecosystem. This can be restrictive for advanced users or those looking for a full control over their website. So, what is the right choice for you? If you're comfortable with a bit of learning curve and want a full control over your website's design and functionality, Bluehost is a better choice. It's especially ideal for WordPress users, bloggers, or businesses that needs a scalable and flexible hosting solution. But if you're looking for a simple all-in-one platform that doesn't require technical knowledge, Wix is a fantastic option. It's perfect for small business owners, freelancers, or anyone who value ease of use and design flexibility over the technical customization. Well, let me know in the comments below which platform you're considering to use, or share your experience if you've used either one. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.